Hi, so now we have our project working fine. We have all the products, we can person any product, see the product, images and so on. But we need to fix some issues. The first issue is the pagination. We need to show this pagination when we have like 10 or more products. So first of all, we need to treat with the Django paginations, and let's open the documentation. So we're gonna say the Django pagination. So now in Django we have this pagination utility which enable you to treat with the pagination easily actually. So first of all we need to import the paginator. So let's open our code and let's open the list, our view. Yeah. And let's import the paginator. Yeah. Then we have this code paginator equal to, and this is the list and the number, and then we have the page, then we have the list and the return. So let's take this copy actually, and in our view in the list for the context we're gonna add this or after the context is down, so let's make it before the context here. So now we have the paginator. So we're gonna use this paginator for the product list. Okay, and we're gonna say that the page equal to request get the page as it is, and we're gonna say that the product list equal to paginator.get page of page, and we're gonna give this product list to our context as it is. Okay. So let's save this and let's make this like true as it is. So now we've added a pagination, so let's refresh to make sure everything is working fine. So now we have no error. Okay. So now we've added a pagination to our project, and we need to enable this pagination in our front end, in our template. So in our product list we have a pagination in here, and we need to change this pagination and add ours. So first of all, here this is the stuff. Yeah, we have this UL, and I'm gonna take this like this, and I'm gonna delete some of those. There is no need for them actually. And here I'm gonna see if we're gonna create a condition in templates. And let's close this in here like this. So we're gonna see if, and in this post list we are retrieving the product list. This is actually the product list. So we're gonna say if product list, if this product list dot has, and we're gonna say has other pages. So if this product list has other pages, we're gonna show this pagination. So let's save this and let's refresh our page. So now we have no pagination, because in our view we said that we're gonna need paginate. We're gonna show only 2 products in every page. So now we have only 2 products. So there is no need for pagination. So if we change this to 1 and we refresh, we're gonna see the pagination. So now we can see the pagination, because there is a need for the pagination. Okay, so let's change this to 1 as it is. And in the product list now we've added that if this product list had other pages, we're gonna create or add this pagination. Okay, so we need to change this previous, next, and so on. So first of all, for this UL, we're gonna say if, okay, if, and we're gonna say if product list, if this product list that has other or has previous, has underscore previous. I got all this information from the documentation, by the way. If you wanted to take a look at this documentation, this is has previous, we can take it. this. Okay, so if this has previous, we're gonna take this next, this previous, and add it in here, like this. Okay. And we're gonna add else. We're gonna add it as errors, but we're gonna disable it. So we're gonna remove this. And actually there is also no need for this URL. And we're gonna say plus disable. Like this, we're gonna disable it. So now we've added the previous. We need to leave this for all the images, and we need to add the next also. So here we're gonna say if, as we did this, we're gonna do also this. So we said if product list that has next, we're gonna add this next. Okay, and we're gonna say else, we're gonna add this disabled. So now we've added, we said that if this product list has previous, add the previous, else disable this li, and if this product has next, add next, else disable this product, this li. So now we need to make the loop. So if we have many pages, so we need to know how many pages do we have. So here I'm gonna say 4 pages. So I'm gonna say 4, and I'm gonna say 4 pages n, and those pages are in the product list dot paginator dot page range. You can get this information from this previous. Yeah, this is num pages. Okay, and we need to take this and add it in here, and this 4, and we're gonna say, I'm gonna add another if actually. I'm gonna say if, and I'm gonna say if product list dot number equal to these pages in the loop. So we're gonna add this, and else I'm gonna add this li, and now we're almost done. We need just to change the URLs for every one of those. So for this previous, we're gonna add this URL. So we're gonna say so let's take a look at this. So we have this, yeah. So this is the URL for, but we need to add the product list, not contacts. So we're gonna say product list dot previous page number. Okay, and for next we're gonna do the same. So like this, dot next page number. So we're gonna say next and we're gonna get this, add it in here, and change this next page number with this. Yeah, so now we've added the next and the previous. Okay, so now we need to add the link for those pages. So we're gonna say we're gonna leave it as blank, and we're gonna add here pages. Yeah, like this. And for this, we're gonna also add pages, but we're gonna add a link in here. So we're gonna say, let's add this, and let's add pages. Yeah. So now let's refresh our page. So now we have 1, 2, and the next. And if we press next, we move to the page number 2, and we can see the MacBook. And we have previous and 1. So if we hit 1, we're moving to 1, and we have next and only 1. This is awesome. So now let's review our code. First of all, we've imported the Django paginator, and we said that this paginator will take all the product list and will filter them using this number. We can add 1, 2, or any number. And we're gonna get this page and give this page to the paginator, and this will be the product list. Then in our templates in the product list, we said that if this product list that had other pages, if there is other pages in our view, we're gonna add this UL. And in this UL, let's remove this please. And in this UL, we divided it into 3 parts. The first part for the previous, the third part for the next, and the second part for the other pages. So we said if this product list that has previous, we're gonna add this li for previous, and we're gonna say the pages is equal to product list with previous page number. And else we're gonna disable this li. And for next, we're gonna do the same. If this product list that has next, we're gonna do product list that next page number, and if else, we're gonna disable this. And for pages, we're gonna loop over the pages in the product list that paginated.page range, and this will give us all the range number of our pages. And we're gonna say if the product list number equal to pages, we're gonna put the pages. Else, we're gonna add pages with the link, and this is what's happening here. This 1 and 2 with the links. So now we've added the pagination to our project. Everything is working fine right now, and we need to add the categories with its numbers, and we're gonna do this but in the next lecture. See you next lecture.